Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about the difference between whereby and thereby. Both whereby and thereby are adverbs that are used to indicate the way in which something happens or the means by which something is achieved. However, they are used in slightly different contexts. Whereby is used to indicate the way in which something is done or achieved. For example, we have implemented a new system whereby customers can place orders online. In this sentence, whereby indicates the means by which customers can place orders online, which is the new system that has been implemented. On the other hand, thereby is used to indicate the consequence or result of an action. For example, she increased her exercise routine, thereby improving her overall health. In this sentence, thereby indicates the result of increasing the exercise routine, which is the improvement in overall health. So, to summarize, whereby is used to indicate the means by which something is achieved, while thereby is used to indicate the consequence or result of an action. It's important to use these words correctly to ensure that your writing is clear and effective. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been helpful.